Hi everyone, welcome back to Chemical Engineering Statistics. Today we will discuss about the application of software in regression. The first software that we will learn today is Minitab. You can get Minitab with a low price as you are students in their official site. The data that we will use today is taken from Montgomery book chapter 6. This is the salt concentration in surface stream and roadway area data, the same data that we will discuss in the previous section. So when we are going to use the Minitab, we click on the Minitab icon, and then this is the interface that we will see. We have columns and rows here that are still blank. We need to put our data in the column. For example, here I put the salt concentration data in column C1 and the roadway area data in C2. We need to write all the data. Then we can click on Stat on the menu bar, then choose Regression, and choose Fit Regression Model. And this is the dialog box. So for the responses here, the responses is the output. This is the dependent variable. So for the responses in this case, we choose salt concentration. We can double click on the salt concentration and then it will appear in the responses box. The continuous predictors is the independent variables. In this case, we choose roadway area as the continuous predictors. We can also double click on the roadway area and it will automatically appear in the continuous predictors box. If we click on the model tab, there is equation interaction through order. We can choose one or else, but because we work on simple linear regression, of course the order of the interaction is just 1. Then we can click OK, and we can look at the results tab. Here the display of results will be appear as the simple table, and we can get all of this data. Then we click OK. The regression equation will be shown at the top of your Minitab screen. Here, from the calculation by Minitab, the regression equation is salt concentration equal to 2.677 plus 17.547 times the roadway area. If we look at the coefficient section, we can look that the constant is 2.677 and the roadway area is 17.547. So 2.677, the constant, is the intercept of this linear line, of this straight line, and 17.547 is the gradient of this equation. Also notice that here at the bottom part that Minitab also computes the model residual. The model residual. In the previous section we talked about error. Error is the deviation of the observed value to the estimated value. So Minitab also calculate the total error. That is appear as the sum of square of error here, 57 0.72. And we also have the R square. The R square is a very important parameter in the regression. The R square of this equation is 95.14%. We will look further on the R square in the upcoming video. So that's all for this section. See you on the next video.